Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, I will show you how to customize it, and then we will check another way to turn it on much faster, I promise. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll and tap on the display. As you can see, on the second position we've got night light, so let's enter, and in order to actually customize it we have to turn it on right now. So let's tap on this big button, and I hope you can see it as the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it's more comfortable for your eyes to look at the screen when it's dark around you. So of course you can change the intensity of that feature, it's really up to you. Just use the switcher. By going to the right you can make it much warmer, and going to the left obviously much cooler. So it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. I think I will leave it like this, and we can schedule that feature. So simply tap here, and now it is not scheduled, but we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me pick the custom time, for example, and here we can freely choose the start time and end time. So let me pick, for example, maybe something like this, and the end time at 6 o'clock. That's okay. As you can see, it is immediately applied and the night light has been activated because we are right between the start time and the end time. But let me turn it off because I don't need it. So actually this is the whole customization of this mode. So I've promised you that I will show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do right now is simply to unroll the top bar and find the icon night light. As you can see, now it is obviously activated, turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it. And I hope you can see it, that the screen turns back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on again by tapping here, and off by tapping on it again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helped you, and if it was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.